Welcome to Jot's shop. This video will be the initial work evaluating our tires, rims, and brakes for our 1960 Ford F100 and trying to decide what our next steps should be. We welcome any comments and suggestions you have. Just add them below. Also, if you like this video, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Okay, director, you had plenty of fun during the holidays. Now it's time to get back to our shop. The truck arrived in Colorado with the original tires on. They're in very poor shape. The fronts were 6.7 by 15s and the backs were heavy duty 7.0 by 15s. The rear hubs are split rims. Since many tire shops won't touch them, we will probably be replacing them. If you know of any good sources to get original or reproduction rims, please let us know in the comments below. We would like to put the hubcaps back on the wheels. To help us get the wheel bolts off, we put some liquid wrench penetrating oil on them and let them sit. It seemed to work pretty well since all the bolts came off fairly easily. The rear drums did move, but they were definitely dragging as we rotated them. Now that we have all the wheels off, we're going to start removing the brake drums to look at them. A quick walk around of the truck shows us that the frame doesn't seem too bad, at least to a couple of novices. We did find that many of the leaf springs were broken and will have to be all replaced. When we got the wheels off, we found that the front drums were frozen. So we started to remove the brake drums. This is the driver's side front drum. It was very stubborn, but we did manage to get it off. We took lots of pictures so we could remember how everything came apart. The front driver's side drum finally came off after a bunch of work. The front passenger side drum also came off after quite a bit of work. When the drum came off, we were greeted by a visitor from Texas. It wasn't alive, thank goodness, but it did remind us of the truck's roots. Even though the rear drums did rotate, they were also relatively difficult to get off. Once we got all the drums off, we gave them all a generous spray of brake parts cleaner. Got that at Walmart. Again, we took plenty of pictures so that we would remember how to put everything back together. Once we got all the drums off, we lowered the lift to put the truck on shorter jack stands. Then we moved the lift post out of the way. Moving the lift post out of the way allows us to get into the cab much easier to clean it out.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button below. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. It's free. The director says that's a wrap. He's going to sleep now.